takes thousands or millions of years in decomposing process. Okay, and we know that the plastic is very harmful for our environment because it causes air pollution, land pollution, and water pollution also. Okay, so what is pollution? As we know that the mixing of unwanted substance which harms the environment is called pollution. Okay, so if plastic, what is harmful effect of plastic? We will discuss here. The first is that it causes land pollution. Why it causes land pollution? Because the toxic chemical released during the process of decomposition in soil, due to which the beneficial microorganisms like rhizobium bacteria which present in the nodules of ligneous plant. Okay, so these type of beneficial bacteria destroyed during the releasing of harmful chemical by plastic or polyethylene. Okay, when these plastic goes in water bodies, then what happens? The aquatic plant and aquatic animals die. Why? Because of water pollution or because of ingestion of harmful chemical released by these plastic in water bodies. And these plastic affect in many ways. How? Due to this, the rate of photosynthesis decreases, because when these plastic cover the water surface, then what happens? The penetration power of sunlight decreases, and we know that the plant or aquatic plant depend on sunlight for the process of photosynthesis. If sunlight will not go in water body in proper way, then aquatic plant will not survive. Okay, due to which what will happen? The rate of respiration process in animal will decrease. Okay, so these are some harmful effects of the plastic on land as well as in water body.